Dumpster rentals in Fort Oglethorpe, Georgia. When you're tackling a big cleanup or home renovation project in Fort Oglethorpe, Georgia, Waste Worx is here to provide reliable and affordable dumpster rental services. Whether you're clearing out clutter, doing a landscaping overhaul, or managing a construction site, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to meet your needs. Our flexible rental terms allow you to keep the dumpster as long as needed, so you can work at your own pace. With transparent pricing and no hidden fees, you can trust that you're getting the best deal in town. Our team is committed to delivering dumpsters promptly and picking them up on time to ensure your project stays on schedule. At Waste Worx, we focus on excellent customer service. Our friendly, professional staff is ready to assist you with selecting the right dumpster size, making the rental process simple and stress-free. We proudly serve Fort Oglethorpe and the surrounding areas, helping homeowners, contractors, and business owners with their waste management needs. When you need a hassle-free dumpster rental in Fort Oglethorpe, Georgia, Waste Worx is your go-to choice. Call us today at 423-551-0677 to book your dumpster and experience the convenience of working with a trusted local provider.